Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the downside, followed up by an impulse or a contracting leading diagonal toward the upside, or an ABC as well toward the upside, meaning we have found a psychology here exactly at this bottom and starting, of course, a bullish scenario for higher prices. Now, if we take a look at this price action here, it can be, of course, considered a leading diagonal, very nice leading diagonal. It can be, of course, an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, but yeah, wave 4 has finished exactly on the top almost. Yeah, I would say it's not really an impulse. We have an impulse correction and probably another impulse, meaning a zigzag A, B, and a C. So one of these scenarios has to be played. Is it a wave 1 as leading diagonal, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5? So you expect a wave 2 here, right? A big wave 2 after ABC. Is it this your wave 2? And then moving massively toward the upside. So we need actually this one to go here. Or we are in an ABC toward the upside, zigzag, and then ABC toward the downside, zigzag, another zigzag for 3, another one for 4, which is the highest possibility. Obviously, we have, of course, a contracting big leading diagonal as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this is very potential to be playing, of course, towards the upside. Now, as you can see, this wave 4 is already likely to be a zigzag. We still need one more wave toward the downside, because you have already 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect finished wave A. ABC for wave B, 1, 2, 3. You still need 4 and a 5 to finish finally this wave 4 and a move towards the upside massively for wave 5 in a zigzag form. In this case scenario, of course, which is the most highest possibility, we would like to hit perfectly those fib levels between, of course, the 0.38 fib level and the 0.5 fib level. Yeah. 0.43 meaning as a price, and 0.71 as a price. So these are, of course, the perfect target, the blue box, as you can see, plus the confluence of a zigzag A, B, and a C, 1-to-1 at 0.43 cents for FET, highest possibility. So back to the daily here, we are looking for another scenario, which is another blue count. You have an A, B, and a C. However, this scenario starts to get very low, because your wave C has to be 5 waves toward the upside. Now, 5 waves towards the upside, it should be an impulse, perfect, for wave 1, 2, okay, impulse for wave C, perfect. And then wave 4, ABC, perfect, but not interfering with your zone 1. Invalidation directly for this impulse. Meaning you have to think in something else, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, which is a very potential to finish as well here and moving for higher. Or it can be a contracting ending diagonal, which is not the case scenario. Wave 4 longer than wave 2, wave 3 longer than wave 1, invalidation of contracting diagonal. The only possibility that you still have for a wave C is double 1, 2. However, possibility as well a little bit lower than a big contracting diagonal. However, the confluence of this double 1, 2 with the scenarios can be, of course, very high for a target. So we can add here, is it a 1? Yeah, so we can add this in a smaller a little bit, just to keep it that this is a smaller scenarios, that it might, or lower possibility scenarios are those 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna keep it for later. How can we know? But we can know this by definitely by breaking the wave 5 1-to-1 fib level. Once you break this wave 1, one here, 1 fib level for wave 5 in contracting diagonal, meaning wave 5 is not allowed anymore to be longer than your wave 3, meaning, okay, this is the highest possible scenario right now has been invalidated in case we see higher prices, meaning we have to shift directly to double 1, 2, looking for 3, 4, 5, for 5 towards the upside. This is your ultimate bullish scenario, right? Perfect targets for both case scenario, one more low just to finish this ABC perfectly on 1-to-1 fib level, and also between the perfect fib levels for a wave 4. Now, that's why this blue count, of course, start to get now a lower possibility, and definitely your wave C is shifting. So this is definitely, we cannot put a wave C anymore here because this cannot be a wave C, finished wave C. And if in case you face, of course, lower than this target, therefore we have to shift our wave B to this area. Yeah. Then meaning your wave A, of course, A, and your wave B is 3 waves toward the downside, and then looking for a wave C. Yeah, so these are the price action right now telling us that, yeah, these might be the scenarios. This scenario as ABC has to be, of course, removed because, of course, of the price action right now that we got in validation of this bullish. It changed a lot. It changed a lot. Of course, it can change. We see the crossroad here between the wave 4 and the wave 1-2-1-2. So very, very important crossroad coming soon, guys, after this one more low to trigger a very, very bullish scenario. So these are the things. One more scenario is ABC from where it came from. Yeah, okay. In case we have this lag, you know that we have ignored this lag in all our scenario, but I cannot just simply ignore it. I give it always a scenario. A, B, and a C toward the downside. Very, very low possibility, but still, yeah, can be. All right. A, B, 3 waves up, and then wave C toward the downside, meaning this leading or impulse toward the downside will transform to 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave C toward the downside. Okay. But still lower possibility. It has a lot of crossroad. It has a lot of supports first to break, and then of course to say that we are, of course, moving for lower. You have to break at least the 1-to-1 fib level, by the way, first to finish a zigzag, and then see if this is moving towards the downside. That was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.